Absolutely, go for it. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new tumbler project. I am doing a full wrap water slide today. This is a glow-in-the-dark sublimation tumbler, but instead of sublimating onto it, I put a layer of resin on it, and into the resin I mixed some 504 glitter from Mr. Nola's Glitter, so we have a nice sparkly glow cup ready to go. And this is the graphic I'm going with. I am already jumping into Halloween season. It is my favorite time of year. And while I love summertime because I love swimming, I am at least part mermaid. I'm already looking forward to Halloween, to be honest with you. I really am. Over on Anthony Crammond's channel, he is gearing up for a mega Halloween special, and I cannot wait. I literally cannot wait, but of course I have to. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make some Halloween cups and just get in the mood, you know? This is my Hippoo, H-I-I-P-O-O water slide decal paper that I prefer using. Printed it out on my inkjet printer, sprayed it with 2 layers of gloss clear spray, and then a 3rd layer that was the Plastidip glossifier that toughens it up a little so it's not so fragile, because I'm rough on things. We're gonna put it in here, we're gonna pour some water on it, and we're gonna get it on our tumbler, and quick and easy. If you wanted to sublimate this on and then do a layer of glitter resin over it later, you could. If you wanted to sublimate it onto a glitter sublimation tumbler, absolutely, go for it. It's that old personal preference thing I'm always going on about. My silicone brush, which is a squeegee tool in the case of water slides. Paper towels, and now we basically just wait. This takes a little less than 60 seconds, a little under a minute to release usually. This paper does. This is room temperature water, tap water, nothing special. All right, before I put the water slide on, I want to get the cup wet so that the water slide will slip around and be movable, because odds are really good I won't get it placed perfectly when the first time I do this. It usually requires some fiddling. So just gonna do this. Tip I learned from Ray over at Ray's Turquoise Turtle is to put the slimy side of the water slide paper that you just removed underneath it if you need to set it down. That will be the easiest surface that protects it so that it won't stick to anything and tear when you're trying to maneuver everything around. I do not have a perfect seamless seam on this. I knew that going in. It's close, but it's not perfect. Get a little extra water in there. Once you've got it pretty much where you want it, you need to wet your silicone brush so that it doesn't drag against the water slide, and start doing this to work out all the wrinkles and bubbles and the water that's underneath, which you wanted there in the first place, but now you want it to come out. So the water slide will lay flat against the tumbler and dry adhered to the tumbler. Looks pretty good. I'm going to put this aside, let it dry thoroughly, probably till tomorrow, and then I will put a layer of resin over the whole thing. So, stay tuned.